doesn't even get over.
He got back over?
Nope, yes he is.
Come on! Jesus Christ.